We'll guide you through how to execute a Vercel hack. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your browser and go to the Vercel dashboard. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, you'll see your list of projects. Click on the project you want to hack. On the project page, look for the Settings tab at the top. Click on that to access the configuration options. Now, scroll down until you find the Environment Variables section. This is where you can add or edit variables that can be used in your project to tweak its behavior. To add a new variable, click on Add New Variable and enter the key and value for the variable you want to set. This could be a feature toggle or a secret key that your application needs. After entering the details, click Save to apply the changes. One of the most powerful hacks you can perform is to use these environment variables to enable experimental features. If you've set up feature flags in your code, you can toggle them by changing the values here. Just update the value and redeploy your project to see the changes take effect. Remember, any changes in environment variables will require you to redeploy your project for them to take effect. You can do this by clicking on the Deploy button on the top right corner of the Vercel dashboard. This ensures your hack is live and running. Also, keep in mind that Vercel's environment variables are private by default, which means they won't be exposed in your front-end code. If you need them to be accessible on the client side, make sure to prefix them with NEXT public if you're using next.js, for example. This allows you to safely manage which variables are public and which should remain secure. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.